Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to pad this Princessdartbustier. Welcome back. So in one of my previous video I made a tutorial on how to cut this Princessdartbustier. If you've not seen it, you can just see it so that you can understand. So this is the stay I will be using for the padding, and now I'll just be marking out the point I'll be adding the pad to on my bodies. So from the top, from the shoulder part, I'll measure my bust length. My bust length, which is 9. I'll measure it too on the other side over there. Then I'll roll it out. So now I'll be measuring the under bust too. From the shoulder, I'll measure the under bust, which is 13. I'll measure it over there too. Then I'll roll it out. So for the upper bust, I'll just be using 2.5 inches from the bust length. I'll just go up by 2.5 inches. Then I'll roll it out too. So now that's that about that. So for the other side of the bustier, that's the under bust over there. So I'll just go out down by half. Then on this other side, I don't measure, I just look for a convenient point that won't affect the seam allowance or anything. So I mark the point there, then I'll draw a curve like that. So now I'll be cutting the breast pad. So from the point I've marked, what I'll be cutting will not exceed that part. So now we'll cut for the other side too. So now I'll be making the point too on the breast pad. I'll just be making a curve like that. So that's that about the cutting. Then now I'll be fixing the breast pad on the bodies. It's either you iron it down or you use a pin to pin it down. So for this one, I'll be using just pin to pin it down along those lines. Please note there's a shining face and there is one face. So the shining face is the part that adds the gum. So make sure you place that side to your fabric so that when you iron it, it will gum down. So that's it, and I'll be pinning it down right now. So you pin in the 3 parts so it doesn't shake while you are sewing. So after pinning, then we join the bodies together. Then you join it together. So after joining, this is what we have. As you can see, I have not ironed the breast part to the fabric. That's why it's still making this, that's why it's still looking like this. So I'll go ahead and I'll just iron it. Then I'll come back and show you how it looks after ironing. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please please subscribe, please like, please comment, please and please just engage in this video, engage on this video. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and iron it. So this is what we have after ironing. As you can see, it is looking really nice. So I will see you in my next video, but please subscribe, comment, share, likes and all those good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.